Good afternoon, everybody. Aaron Avila here from GS Long Company. Today we're here in Natchez, Washington at the Long Family Ranch for the first of 3 calibration and sprayer best management practices courses that we put on. So this really goes hand in hand with a lot of our other efforts in regards to pesticide safety that we offer throughout the year. But this one, in my opinion anyway, is I think probably the most impactful. In this course, the participants learn how to properly calibrate a sprayer, how to choose the proper nozzles based on your canopy density, and how to measure the output of that. And so really it's a back and forth between the classroom and in-field setting. We've got 25 folks here in our English group and 25 folks here in our Spanish group, and it's a very hands-on training. About an hour and a half in the classroom and an hour and a half here actually putting things in practice.
If you have a ton of air rushing through a canopy, right? And it's going 25 miles an hour on the opposite side of the canopy, the droplets are going to go with it. They're going to shoot right through. Something that many of you may already have on your farm, because this is an accurate way to measure your wind speed when you are looking at your records, your spray records, are these little handheld weather stations, right?
So this is something that we'll do again in a couple of weeks down in Prosser, and then once more up in Wenatchee. And again, happy to be able to offer this for our customer base. So we saw a little bit about what goes on out in the field, but in preparation for that, as I mentioned, really the participants are learning the fundamentals of air blast sprayer calibrations. And so this is more than just having a plug-and-play type of app or program that tells you what nozzles to put in and what speed to drive. This is really, again, the fundamentals of sprayer calibration. And as you can see, these are some of the worksheets that the guys have been working on this morning. Some illustrations of how they plan on setting up the sprayer calibration, the sprayer itself that we just looked at out in the field. This unit here, the stainless unit here, gives us an idea of the spray pattern of different types of nozzles that are used, as well as how pressure affects those nozzles. And so it really really paints a complete picture of sprayer calibration from the ground up.